this mission.
But look at the aliens' sad little faces. They're still hungry.
No more magic jelly.
Okay. I was looking forward to having a bit of jelly myself.
Daddy, we can't eat the picnic anyway. Our space helmets are in the way.
That's the last straw. No water in the sea, and we can't eat food. What kind of picnic is this?
It's not a picnic.
Okay, let's go home.
Nanny Plum's right. It's time to go. Well, that's what I've been saying. We seem to be out of fuel.
What's wrong?
I put enough fuel in the rocket to get to the moon. I forgot about getting back.
Yeah, that was a bit silly.
Yes, it was very silly.
It's all because of your little elf rules. If you let us bring our fairy ones, we could have used magic to get us back. But of course,
There's not enough magic for one day with that picnic basket of yours.
I didn't mean to make so much magic jelly.
Magic jelly! Of course! Danny, listen carefully. I want you to put the magic basket into the fuel tank.
Why?
There's no time for questions. Just do it. Here's the fuel tank, Daddy Plum. Now, ask the magic basket for jelly.
What? But you said no more magic jelly. Remember?
I know I did, but this is an emergency.
Okay. How much jelly do you want?
A lot.
Right, you.
What? How will that help? The jelly comes out of the magic basket at amazing speed. We can use the power of jelly to make the rocket fly back home.
If I said that, you sound a bit silly.
But it's not you saying it. It's me.
And the wise old elf is very wise, Nanny Plum.
I suppose he is a bit clever. Okay, let's give it a go. Magic basket me. Jelly, jelly. Lots, lots, lots. Oh, hang on, everyone.
is the best cook in the whole world.
Oh, thank you, Your Majesty. Hello.
I've got some serious hands on my back. What's the